Hey guys, welcome and welcome back to my hair care channel. If you are interested in everything hair care, please subscribe and let's go on our hair care journey together.
Because you're trying things and they just want you to settle and do the right thing. So get a good job, don't slack off. Wake up every morning, make it good.
In today's video, it is a highly requested video, and that is my wash day routine to restore and repair my damaged hair. Today, before I wash my hair, I am going to do a homemade protein treatment. And we are going to need 2 eggs, mayonnaise, and whatever oils of your choice, both carrier oil and essential oils. I love to do homemade protein treatment, guys. I try to do this every other month because this is protein and also a little moisture. The oil will add moisture and stuff like that. If you have not tried this homemade protein treatment as yet, guys, you need to try it, okay? I have introduced many of my friends to it and they love it, okay? They can't stop talking about it. So if you haven't tried it as yet, please go ahead and try it. And this is exactly how I make it all the time. As I said, you could use whatever oil of your choice to add to the mixture, and then you just blend everything together, and then you're gonna get like a thick consistency. You don't want it to be too runny or too thick either. It definitely looked like something you can drink, I swear to you, but do not drink it. Next, I'm going to add my mixture into a applicator bottle. I found it easier for me to apply it to my hair when I add it to this applicator bottle with the little pointy top. Now that my mixture is ready, we're going to apply it to my hair. You're going to need your clips to section your hair as well as shower cap. After detangling my hair, I am going to section my hair into 4 different parts and then apply the mixture to my hair section at a time. So this is after I remove my 3 weeks cornrow. Remember I told you guys I was wearing my cornrows for 3 weeks, and I apply my onion oil to my hair, and I have experienced so much growth. You guys seen that video? If you haven't seen that video as well, guys, please go ahead and check it out. My update, or should I say review, on using onion oil on my hair for 3 weeks. Check my description for how I make my onion oil as well as my result of using onion oil on my hair for 3 weeks. So now that my hair is detangled and sectioned, I'm going to go ahead and apply the mixture to my ends first to make sure that my ends are covered. You want to make sure your entire head is covered in this mixture, guys. Every single strand of hair should be covered in this mixture. And I'm just starting from the ends and work my way up to the roots. And what I like to do when I reach that part, I'll stick the pointed thing down to my scalp and squeeze to ensure that my roots get treatment as well. And then I just massage everything into. This homemade treatment is going to help to repair, strengthen, and add moisture to your hair, guys. So you want to make sure, if you're experiencing shedding, if you're experiencing breakage, if you're experiencing dry hair as well, you can try this mixture to help restore the health of your hair. And if you do try this treatment, guys, please comment down below and let me know how you guys like it. If you will do it again, how did it make your hair feel after? How is it going? Just let me know. Give me an update, guys, because I want to ensure that whatever I am doing to my hair, not everything works on my hair will work for everyone's hair, but I still want you guys to try at least some of the things that I'm doing, and I'm hoping and praying that it will help you guys on your hair care journey as well. Okay, so please try it and let me know You may like it, you may not like it, it may work, it may not work, but at least, I mean, it's a part of your hair care journey. You have to try things to see what works for your hair type and what doesn't work. Everyone that I put on this treatment, as in my friends, they all love it and they all like, oh my God, I told my hairdresser about it. I told my other friend and they use it too. They love it. I introduce them to your channel. They try your DIYs. They love them. And it just makes me feel so good to know that I am helping someone. Even if it's just one person, I can help with with their hair care on their hair care journey with anything at all. If even if I teach you how to, I don't know, oil your scalp, I feel good that I'm helping someone. Even if it's just like the simplest thing, I still feel good and I still feel motivated to continue and trying my best to help on you guys' hair care journey, because I know how hard hair care journey can be. Okay, so now that I finished applied the product to my entire head, I'm going to go ahead and put my shower caps on. I use a few shower caps because I wanted to lock in the heat. I'm not going to sit under a hooded dryer. I've never done this treatment and sit under a hooded dryer actually, guys. I wouldn't recommend doing it because I've never done it. I don't know what will happen. So I add like 4 different shower cap. I have this one that has like a nice thick fabric in the middle, so then it will help to lock in the heat. And then I just let it sit on my hair for an hour and a half, work around the house, do what I have to do, and then I take it off, do my wash day routine. Guys, I am currently 28 weeks post relaxer, which is a little over 6 months, and I have so much new growth. I have stretched to 11 months before, so I know I can do it. Guys, I'm showing you guys my new growth. Do you guys see the amount of new growth that I have? I have so much new growth. I am like, oh my God, Tamara, this is a lot of new growth. But you have to ensure that you, at the same time you're stretching your relaxer and trying to restore your hair, you still want to retain length as well. So you have to make sure it doesn't break off with the 2 different texture and stuff like that. So I have to be like very gentle with my hair as well and make sure I use the right product to help soften it. That's how this treatment comes in as well, guys. It helps to strengthen my hair as well as moisturize my hair. Look at all that new growth. All that is new growth. Okay, I should have measured it. I didn't, but I should have. But after washing out the mixture, I'm going to go in with my Shea Moisture strengthening shampoo, Jamaican black castor oil strengthening shampoo, and I wash my hair in section, which make it a lot easier for me to manage my hair with the 2 different texture. So I just gently use the tip of my finger to massage my scalp to make sure I remove all the buildup, all that oil that I've been putting on my scalp, as well as all this egg and oil and mayonnaise. So I have to make sure my scalp is squeaky clean. And I'm going to go in with my shampoo brush, or is it shampoo comb? I love to use this, guys. It actually helps to cleanse my scalp and as well as detangle my hair while washing. I don't really detangle my hair while washing. I just use it to, like, you know, a little like run it on the length of my hair a little, because guys, I have relaxed hair, so I cannot detangle my hair while it's like extremely wet. That's me causing breakage. That's me asking for breakage. So somebody that is fully natural will detangle their hair while showering, but somebody that is fully relaxed cannot do that. So depending on the type of hair, or if it's chemically treated or not, then you know what's best for your hair. I have seen many comments asking why am I not detangling my hair while washing my hair. I have relaxed hair. I cannot detangle. My hair cannot be detangled when it's super wet. That's just me crying out, begging for breakage. Okay, so I will gently rub my hand down the length of my hair and stuff like that. After washing my hair, I'm gonna go in with my garlic deep conditioner. And guys, I love this deep conditioner. It's so moisturizing. My sister introduced me to this conditioner. I went to Antigua, and my sister is a professional hairstylist, and she has a salon and everything. And I went there, she introduced me to this product. She used it on my hair. My hair felt amazing, and I had to stock up, so I bought some before I leave Antigua. And this just made my hair super moisturized. So of course I'm going to go in with a good moisturizing deep conditioner. I will see if I could find a link on Amazon and put it in the description below if you guys are interested in purchasing this deep conditioner. I will definitely try to find a link for you guys. Guys, when it comes to deep conditioner, I do not play with it, okay? I use a generous amount of deep conditioner on my hair. You cannot be stingy with the product, okay? If you want the best out of the product, you cannot be stingy. You have to make sure every single strand get deep conditioner. You have to make sure every single strand is treated. All right, so I'm just working it. The roots are super thick, so I'm just trying to work it in to make sure I get every single strand.
There was once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you'd notice too. Sneaking looks up and down from across the room. Damn, what a hell of a view. I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date, you're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight, don't waste time to my place. I feel my...
So after finish applying the deep conditioner, I'm gonna cover my hair with my shower cap, and I'm gonna use a few shower caps and let it sit on my hair for 15 minutes while I take a shower. So after finish showering, washing my hair, I just wrap my hair up with a towel to remove as much of the water as possible. And I let my hair kind of hair dry. And then I go in with my Mizani 21 Miracle Leave-In Conditioner. This is some good stuff, guys. I've been using this for a while and I love it. It's actually my favorite leave-in conditioner because it leaves my hair super soft. So as you guys can see, look how stringy my hair look with the big puffy natural at the roots, and then the end looks so stringy, which is the relaxed end. But trust me, it's not, because it's wet, it has that look. But anyways, I'm going to blow dry my hair. I normally let my hair dry for at least 80%, but it was super late. It was actually pretty late. It's maybe like after 10, after 11, so I had to blow dry my hair wet. So what I did, I blow dry, I detangle, and then I blow dry my hair on cool, and then I go in with hot. And I just use this brush to help detangle my hair while drying my hair. And I love to use this brush while doing my blow drying routine, guys. I think it helps the process a lot. Like, it makes it a lot easier for me to blow dry my hair and actually get to stretch my new growth as well.
I'm so late, you sip wine, I drink straight, don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase, so catch me if I fall. Praying that this night's gonna last. You got it all on tap, I'm loving your vibe, always have your back. We like all the same tracks, listen all night in the sheets all black. Said I'm falling fast, don't remember life before you, that's fact. I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date. You're so fine, I'm so late.
After finish blow drying my hair, I'm gonna go in with my moisturizing argan oil, and this is the only product I use on my hair when my hair is dry, guys. A lot of people asking me about how do I moisturize and seal my hair, and I told them, I said I only use this oil, and then they'll be like, but that's a oil, it lock in the moisture. But this is what works for me. I cannot do products that makes my hair wet. I have relaxed hair, and if I use a product that's a cream based product, my hair will look wetty and unhealthy and sticky, and it just doesn't work for me. So a oil based moisturizer is what helps me. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in another video.